snake ever.
Okay, let him go.
Bye bye, snake.
So he's gonna go find a place to hide.
Okay, but don't make the dog sit.
I'm gonna miss him, Mommy.
So he'll catch bugs in our yard.
Stay.
Will he stay in our yard then?
Well, he'll roam around.
And I can see him sometimes?
You might see him again. Who knows?
Nothing
I think he's
safer.
gonna go hide in the rose bush.
That's actually a good idea.
Yeah, you eat all the bugs in the rose bush.
So the one place is you can see him by the black and yellow, I'll be able to recognize him.
Mm-hmm.
Because of the difference.
All right, so he's gonna find a place to hide in there. He'll curl up in. Yep, there he goes. Hi, Snakey.
If I ever want to have a pet snakey, that'd be the one.
Do you like snakes, Jordan?